This Japanese mask helps get rid of wrinkles on face and makes you look younger. Wrinkles on the face can disappear completely if you know the right way to skincare. To do this, no hard. All that you need to do is apply this Japanese mask to get rid of wrinkles on the face with completely natural ingredients. It is a super easy do-it-yourself facial mask that will exfoliate your skin and adds moisture, leaving it softer. 4 natural ingredients of this mask will not only get rid of wrinkles on the face, brighten your skin, but it also helps your daily skincare products work better by getting rid of the dead skin cells that can act as a barrier. The best part of this mask is that you probably have all the ingredients at home already. Ready? Let's go! Avocado is the first ingredient you need to prepare. Cut 1/4 of an avocado, about 35 grams, to use for this recipe. Avocado is super moisturizing. Vitamin E and other antioxidants in avocados are an anti-aging dream for your face, as they reduce free radical damage that contributes to signs of skin aging, especially wrinkles. Now, use a spoon and scoop the flesh from avocado skin and drop it into the bowl. Then, use the fork or the potato masher and mash the avocado into a smooth consistency. After mashing avocado, you need the next ingredient is lime juice. Lime juice is a natural method of increasing collagen in your face. Collagen itself is a protein that naturally breaks down with age, which can then result in fine lines and wrinkles. Therefore, vitamin C as an antioxidant may help prevent free radicals that can damage collagen, leaving you with smoother skin. Now, add 1/2 teaspoon of lime juice into the avocado bowl. Next, you need to add olive oil in this bowl. Olive oil helps cleanse and nourish your skin. It can enhance your skin elasticity, which reduces wrinkles. Add 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil in this bowl. The final ingredient that needs to be added is honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey helps anti-inflammatory and kills germs in your skin. Honey also leaves skin smoother and more hydrated, and they can improve the look of wrinkles and fine lines. Your skin may also feel tighter and more toned after a honey's mask. Mix everything until getting a homogeneous mixture. After mixing all ingredients, your anti-wrinkle mask is ready to use. Before you apply, take a warm wet towel and put it on your washed face for 2 to 3 minutes. This will open up your pores. Use your fingers or synthetic foundation brush to apply the mask. The mask may drip, so wear a shirt that you need to wash and lay down a towel before you lie down on a pillow. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, Rinse well with warm water. Apply your favorite serum and moisturizer. Give your skin a boost with this exfoliating homemade facial mask once or twice a week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.